Rourke here is your off-the-clock bartender, bringing the art and science of craft cocktails to your home. In this week's video, I will demonstrate how to make a classic whiskey sour with an egg white. The egg white offers a distinctive mouthfeel that is silky and clean. It is completely safe to use an egg white and makes for a deliciously smooth and complex cocktail. There are a few bar tools needed to make this cocktail that don't cost very much and will last you a lifetime, or close to it. The Boston shaker, the Hawthorne strainer, a jigger, a coupe glass, and optional but recommended, a mesh strainer to catch the ice chips. Now for the fun part. You will need to make an equal part simple syrup. Start by heating up 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar on the stove. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, remove from heat and let cool. You can use cane sugar, but I recommend using Demerara. Demerara is sugar in the raw. It is more natural and less refined than cane sugar. Sugar is brown before it is washed white. Don't confuse Demerara with the ultra-fine brown sugar. There is a big difference. Now that we have our sugar, let's add 3/4 of an ounce to the small tin and 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next, add 2 ounces of whiskey. I recommend using a rye whiskey because it is a little bit sharper. It allows the whiskey notes to punch through the egg white a little bit more, which we are going to add right now. It takes a little bit of practice, but you will quickly get the hang of it. Break the egg on your tin and cradle the yolk back and forth until most of the egg white is in your tin. Use the large tin just in case you make a mistake. Now it is time to dry shake. Shake your cocktail without ice as hard as you can. This whips the egg white and adds air to your cocktail. If you feel you're not able to shake hard enough, you can always add the coil from your Hawthorne strainer to your dry shake. Just be sure to remove it before you add ice. Next, shake with ice as hard as you can. To break your tins, smack the large one right where there's a gap. That satisfying crack never gets old and means you did it correctly. Next, strain into a coupe glass using your mesh strainer. Garnish is optional, but if you'd like to go the extra step, all you need are Angostura bitters and a dropper. You can find Angostura bitters at most liquor stores. Apply 5 drops in a circular pattern and trace them with a straw or a toothpick. And there you have it. The classic whiskey sour, one of my personal favorites. There's a full description of this cocktail written below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And tune in next week to learn how to make an old-fashioned the right way. Cheers!